There's more breaking news coming in from the sports field. In fact, the Sports Ministry has taken the lead in the fight for Sarita Devi and called for a meeting with the IOA, with Sarita herself, Boxing India and also the suspended coaches. In fact, the Sports Ministry is preparing two-pronged attack to challenge AIBA's suspension of Sarita Devi.
Do you somewhere feel that IOA has taken a back step? It's not proactive enough?
What has happened in the context of Sarita Devi is extremely unfortunate and unexpected. We had thought that after the deliberations of the Olympic Council of Asia, where they had considered the matter and issued a warning to her, we thought the matter was closed. And in fact, it's the OCA which has really jurisdiction over the conduct of the Asian Games. But now that we learn that AIBA has issued provisional suspension of the athlete, the coaches and also even the chef de mission, and also calling for their explanation. This is extremely unexpected, and in fact I have called a meeting of all concerned, which is the Boxing Federation officials, the chef de mission, the coaches and others, to decide what view we should take, what line of action we should follow to ensure that no injustice is done to Sarita Devi and the coaches involved in the case.
So, but the Boxing Federation of India is derecognized, so somewhere it was completely IOA's responsibility to, take positive steps in this matter. Somewhere you think they have not done it?
Well, it would have been good if IOA had been more proactive and immediately taken up the cause of Sarita Devi. But nevertheless, the fact being, what it is, we from the ministry side have decided to take the lead and to bring them all together and initiate follow-up action in the case.
So the meeting on the 28th of October, what is it likely to discuss? What steps are the ministry and the IOA thinking on taking on?
There are two lines of action. One is to follow the grievance redressal mechanism of AIBA, which is to basically file an appeal with them by the Boxing Federation in India, which is provisionally recognized. That's one. The other is to directly take up the case with the IOC through the CAS mechanism, the Central Arbitration Council, the arbitration mechanism. So we've also requested the delegate from AIBA to attend the meeting. So what's the most optimal course, we'll decide on Monday.
Olympic Association has extended full support to Indian boxer Sarita Devi to help her in her fight with AIBA. The president N. Ramachandran has in fact convened a meeting on the 28th of October to decide what immediate steps can be taken to help her.
Today I spoke to that President IOA, and he told me that he's coming Tuesday morning, he's coming to Delhi, and there is a meeting with the ministry also. So after that IOA will take the action whatever they want, but we have to act what is in the interest of the sports persons of country and all.